everyone. I am so excited. Yes, I have just finished publishing my books with Comfort Legacies, and I would like to invite you to check out my books, Comfort Legacies. I am a children's book author, and I love to write books for children. It started with my grandson telling him stories, and it just went on, and then so he loved the stories. So now I am an author for children's books. Love to have you. Love to have you read our books. My books are about my past history and my relationship with my grandmother, whom I now share my stories with my grandson. And he was such a fan over some of the stories that I was telling him that I decided to put them in a book from. So I invite you and your children to join us and just check out some of our books. The events that took place when I was a child and with my grandmother. She would always have so many fantastic things going on, sewing, doing different things. I started school early with her, and so my loving grandson who just loves to hear stories, and so I decided to comprise them all in a book. He loves hearing the stories, so I put the stories into a book for him, and it's taken off. He really loves them. I hope that you will love them. He's so excited just to have me tell the stories and tell my stories of when I was his age and spending time with my grandmother. Read them online, share them. Just be a part of our Comfort Legacy series. We're going to have maybe 10 books that are already in publication and ready to go. So you can get the books here on our channel, or you can Google Comfort Legacies. Okay, and we are on Amazon as well. Look forward to hearing from you. Give us a little comment. Let us know how we're doing. Join us in our series. They're probably going to be like 10 books or more in a series. Tell us how you like the books and just be a part of our comfort zone. Get the book. Yeah, just get the book. Get the book. It's got the books. Get the books. They're going to be on Amazon. They're going to be on our website. Probably be in a Shopify store. But it's the Comfort series. And we are sharing our past histories with our grandchildren. He's loving it. Children are loving it. And share them with your children. Share them with your grandchildren. And be a part of the Comfort series family. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy the books. If you have any comments, just hit that link below or find us on Instagram. Just give us a shout out, okay? Thank you. Love you. Enjoy the books.